Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Bell at kung bago ka sa channel ko, pwede ka mag-subscribe para updated ka sa mga tutorial videos na i-upload ko. Okay? So, for today, we're going to talk about factoring. Factoring of general trinomials. Okay. Last time, we discussed about factoring of perfect square trinomials. But this time, we're going to factor out a general trinomials. Ax squared plus bx plus c, wherein a is equal to 1. Okay, ibig sabihin, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So how to do this? Okay. First thing we have to do here is to get the constant number. The constant here is 6, because 6 is the one that doesn't have any coefficient of x. Okay. 6. You're going to think of a factor of 6 that will give you a sum of 5. So what are the factor of 6? It can be 1 and 6. It can be 2 and 3, right? So 1 times 6, that is 6. 1 plus 6, that is 7. So it cannot be. How about 2 and 3? 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 plus 3, that is 5. So therefore, the factor that we are looking for is 2 and 3, because 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Again, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so therefore the factor now is plus 2 and plus 3. Okay, if you want to check if your answer is correct, just use FOIL method. Okay, next, here we have y squared plus 4n minus 12. So we're going to get the constant. The constant here is 12. Okay, we have to think of a factor of negative 12 that will give you the sum of 4. So what are the factor of 12 or negative 12? It can be 1 and negative 12. It can be negative 1 and 12. It can be 2 and 6 with negative 1 and positive 6, that is negative 12. It also can be 2 and negative 6. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. But which one satisfy here? So 1 times negative 12, that is negative 12. 1 plus negative 12, it's not 4. Negative 1 times positive 12, that is negative 12. Negative 1 plus 12, it's not 4. Negative 2 times 6, that is negative 12. Negative 2 plus 6, that is positive 4. So therefore, this is the answer. Because this one, 2 times negative 6, that is negative 12. But 2 plus negative 6, that is negative 4. But we're looking for the positive 4. That's why this is the answer. So, factor of negative 12 or negative 2 times positive 6, that is negative 12. Negative 2 plus positive 6, that is positive 4. So therefore, factor is y minus 2, y plus 6. Okay, this one. Here we have m squared minus 11m plus 10. So okay, so therefore get the constant. So think of factor of 10 that will give you a sum of negative 11. So 10. So it can be 1 and 10. It can be negative 1 and negative 10. Right? So positive 1 times positive 10, that is 10. Negative 1 times negative 10, that is positive 10. Negative 1 plus negative 10, that is negative 11. So therefore, this is what we're looking for. Negative 1 times negative 10, that is positive 10. Negative 1 plus negative 10, that is negative 11. Therefore, m minus 1, m minus 10. This is the factor of the given. Okay. Okay, another set of example. Okay, so we have b squared plus 8b plus 7. So get the constant. So 8. So what is the factor of 7 that will give you a positive 8? So that is 1 and 7. So 1 times 7, that is 7. 1 plus 7, that is 8. So therefore, factor is b plus 1, b plus 7. Next, x squared minus 10x plus 9. So get the constant. And then the coefficient of x, which is negative 10. Factor of 9, that will give you negative 10. Okay, so 9, it can be 1 and 9. Okay, so it can be negative 1 and negative 9. So negative 1 times negative 9, that is positive 9. Negative 9 plus negative 9, that is negative 10. So therefore, this is what we're looking for. Negative 1 and negative 10. So therefore, x minus 1, x minus 9. Okay? Next, gets the constant. Negative 24. Coefficient of y is 2. Factor of negative 24, that will give you a sum of 2. That is 4 and 6 and 4. Which one is negative? So negative 4. So 6 times negative 4, that is negative 24. 6 plus negative 4, that is 2. So therefore, factor is y plus 6, y minus 4. That's how to get the factor of a general trinomials. Okay, now let's make a practice on how to factor out a general trinomials. Okay, you can post the video and answer the following, and after that you can play it again to check your answer. Okay, so let's answer it. So x squared minus a minus 20. So we're looking for the factor of negative 20 that will give you a negative 1 as your sum. So what is the factor of negative 21 that will give you a negative 1 as your sum? So think of a factor of negative 20. It can be 4 and 5. 4 and 5. But we need negative. So which one is negative, 4 or 5? Okay, that is 5. So 4 and negative 5. So 4 times negative 5, that is negative 20. 4 plus negative 5, that is negative 1. So therefore, factor is x minus 1, x plus 4, x minus 5. Okay? Number 2, y squared plus 11y plus 18. So we're looking for the factor of 18 that will give you 11 as your sum. So what is the factor of 18? It can be, okay, 2 and 9. 2 times 9, that is 18. 2 plus 9, that is 11. So 2 and 9. Therefore, the factor is y plus 2, y plus 9. 2 times 9, 18. 2 plus 9. 2 times 9, 18. 2 plus 9, 11. Next, m squared plus 10m plus 24. So we're looking for the factor of 24 that will give you a sum of 10. So what is the factor of 24? That will give you a sum of 10. That is 12 and 2. Okay, 12 and 2, that is 24 positive, but it's not the sum is not 10. What else? 4 and 6 and 4. 6 times 4, that is 24. 6 plus 4, that is 10. Okay, 6 and 4. So 6 times 4, that is 24. 6 plus 4, that is 10. So therefore, m plus 6, m plus 4. Next, m squared minus 7m plus 10. So we're looking for the factor of 10 that will give you a sum of 7, negative 7. Okay, so what are the factor of 10 that will give you a negative 7? It can be 2 and 5, but we need negative. How do you do that? Okay, both are negative, because negative 2 times negative 5, that is positive 10. So negative 2 and negative 5. So negative 2 times negative 5, that is positive 10. Negative 2 plus negative 5, that is negative 7. So therefore, factor is m minus 2, m minus 5. Next, n squared minus n minus 56. So we're looking for the factor of negative 56 that will give you the sum of negative 1. Okay, so what is the factor of negative 56? It can be 8 and 7, but we need a negative 1. Okay, negative 8. So negative 8 times positive 7, that is negative 56. Negative 8 plus 7, that is negative 1. So negative 8 and 7. So therefore, factor is n minus 8, n plus 7. Okay, next, x squared plus 3x minus 18. So we're looking for the factor of negative 18 that will give you the sum of 3. So what are the factor of negative 18? It can be 6 and 3, but we need negative. So which one is negative? 3, because 6 times negative 3, that is negative 18. 6 plus 3, that is positive 3. 6 and 3. Again, 6 times negative 3, that is negative 18. 6 plus negative 3, that is 3. Therefore, x plus 6, x minus 6. Okay, do you get it? So if you have a lesson that you want me to discuss, just comment down below and I will discuss it for you. Okay, bye.